Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Recreate the Plate. I'm not a professional cook, but I love trying to make things I see online. And today I'm trying yeast rolls. My sweet dear friend made yeast rolls for us, and they were amazing. So I said I have to have the recipe. She got the recipe from Revi on Instagram. It was wonderful. So we're going to give that a try. So what we're going to need is 1 cup of warm milk. Okay, we have our warm milk. Now we're going to use active dry yeast. This is 2.5 teaspoons. I'm going to mix that right in. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give that a little stir. Okay, we're going to let that sit for 10 minutes. Okay, the first thing we do is add 1/2 stick of melted butter. 1 egg. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon of salt. Ooh, and our yeast mixture. Look at that. See all the foam on it? Ooh, that looks good. Guess we'll just pour that in. And we just mix this with our dough hook. Now we slowly add in 3 cups of bread flour. Be sure you have your mixing bowl there. Good. Let's try that again. Now I'm scared. We'll go with that. We'll go with that. Now I'm supposed to knead it for just a couple of minutes by hand. Since I already have the mess here, I'm just going to put it out on the counter right here. And even add a little bit more flour. It's pretty sticky. Oh. Maybe I didn't do something right. It's all stuck in the bottom. Very, very sticky. It's almost like it doesn't have enough flour. So let's add a little bit. Not sure. Yeah, maybe that's all it needed. I'm gonna get too much. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. How pretty. Okay, now we are supposed to add some oil to a bowl. And I'm gonna just push that all around in here. Now we just put that right in and we let this sit covered for 1 hour. And then I'll clean this mess up. Okay, now we grease a 9 by 13 pan. Let's see how well it's risen. Oh, nice. And we punch out the air. Okay. All right, now we cut it into 12 equal sections, and you could weigh it. I don't have a scale. Okay, now we just kind of make these into little balls like this. Make myself a working area. And then we just roll it around. Small. See what happens with that. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the little tuck process. Kind of tuck it all under and then roll. And that one's kind of small. That one's kind of big. Now we let this rest covered for 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Ooh, it did rise up. Of course, I have a few that are small. Okay, I'm going to put it into a 375 oven for 15 minutes. Look at this. Oh, that looks amazing. I'm going to put some butter on the top. Oh, look at this. Mmm. Oh, I hope that tastes good. Okay, I can't wait to try. I know they're probably too hot. Oh, they are. I want one right out of the middle. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, it looks amazing. Ooh, it's too hot. I want to eat it while it's hot. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. I'm taking a bite. Wow. Best thing I've ever made. You guys, these were easy. I can't believe how easy these were and how good they turned out. You have to make these. Thanks you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. This one was worth it. Come here. Look.